Hi Tanisha, wishing you a very good morning. How are you doing?
I am doing excellent. Thank you. Good
Super.
morning.
So good to see you on this Sunday, with full of
Same here.
energy and positivity. Uh,
Yes, same here.
so you have been an entrepreneur. I would love to know what inspired you to be an entrepreneur.
My inspiration to begin with, was my father. I
Uh-huh.
love the way he would work all the time, and I happened to be a good student in bio, which is why I took up medicine, and I ended up being a dentist. So, yeah, and once I was in Ahmedabad, I worked for a couple of people, and then I realized I wanted to start my own journey. That's how I became an entrepreneur. So,
Oh my God, you have been a
yes.
scholar, it seems, huh?
Yes, I have been. No
Oh,
denying the fact.
for me, if I used to pass with good grades, people used to tell me कुछ गलती करी होगी, and I was shocked कि क्या बात कर रहे हो? तो बोले तुमने नहीं, टीचर ने मार्क्स अच्छे देने के लिए. All right, yeah. So let us tell the world what exactly you do, what's your profession, and how do you help people across Ahmedabad or across India? Uh,
So I am a dentist by profession, and I am
uh-huh.
a specialist orthodontist. And
Mhm.
how I help people is I create beautiful and healthy smiles. So in this at this time when the world is focused on your only the upper part of your body.
Yeah,
So yes, I create beautiful smiles, and that's what I do. I've been
super.
in
So you
for
so
the
you
past six
make
years in my own
people
practice.
look okay. So you make people look very very confident.
Yes, when you actually, it's a study that has been done that when
Uh-huh.
you see a person's face, there are only two things that you notice the maximum: the person's eyes and their teeth. So, very important part right now.
Oh my God, I never knew that. I would love to visit your clinic soon this week.
Sure, anytime.
Yeah, super. So, Tanisha, how is BNI going on for you?
BNI is going on superb, excellent,
Hmm.
very nice.
So, that's great. People have been telling that, online तो यार कैसे connect आ सकता है, क्या कर सकते हैं. But then to my surprise, we are growing and you're loving it. So tell me one thing you love about BNI, and that to BNI online, which is now more than ever.
Right. So online, I feel it's an amazing platform.
Hmm.
You save so much time online. You can meet so many people online sitting in the comfort of your home. With that you are safe at your place, and you can meet so many people. So business is being generated online a lot. In fact, I got business from a visitor online. So
Okay.
that's like my own personal story. And I have seen so many people in my chapter and across chapters. I've seen that they have generated a lot of business online. So you are meeting, I mean, it's like it's your comfort zone, and you are networking with a lot of people online. So I can sit with you here, like in my house, and connect with you on a Sunday, which would not have be happening otherwise. So I think
Yes.
online is a great platform.
Yeah,
Yes,
and there
it's
are
not
no.
as good as physical meetings in terms of like the entire meeting when you're meeting, say, 50, 60 people at a time. But individual one to one, I think online is excellent.
Yeah, so last evening when I was having a conversation with one of my friends who is
Hmm.
just 22 years young,
Yes.
and she shared that online meetings, not really. And I was like that this is the trend when you are in the college nowadays. You
Hmm.
generally date, and there have been apps wherein you have been trying out this blind dates and stuff. So aren't they online? Does the WhatsApp conversation and the Facebook conversation bring you to a point wherein you start actually understanding the person and would love to meet him for a cup of coffee? So yes, online works, and in my opinion, yes, online definitely works because
Definitely.
we as a chapter have been doing great, inducting the maximum number of people because there are no geographical boundaries, and the best thing is
Superb.
that you do not have to spare time to travel a lot in
Agreed. Yes.
Ahmedabad because of the traffic. Wow. So, Tadisha, I have always been respecting women. I've seen because moms have been women, sisters have been women, your wife, I mean, for us, have been
Hmm.
women, and they are so powerful because we as men, of course, do a lot of things, but one thing we focus is business. But you have to focus on your in-laws, your husband, your kids, household stuff. Oh my God, that's a full-time job, and still you being an entrepreneur is amazing. And that to
Thank
an
you.
entrepreneur with networking is like an aha moment. So one message you want to pass to this women community, that how women are strong and what exactly the mindset should be. So if you can grow, everyone can. So what is that one strong message you want to pass on?
So I personally feel that women are excellent at multitasking more
Uh-huh.
than men. I mean, not being gender wise, but yes, uh, excellent at multitasking. And I feel like if you are passionate about something, if it can be anything, if you are an individual entrepreneur, you can find time for everything. So it's not about being a man or it's not about being a woman. It's just about being passionate about what you want to do in life. I think that is one thing that that can take you to great heights.
So would you mean to say that 1 millimeter change in the thought process can actually change the game?
Yes, definitely. And I just feel that it's all. I'm sorry, it's all about passion. So that's what I think.
Super. So tell me, what exactly is BNI for you? So if I tell, and if I
Hmm.
have to put it in words, so what a gym is for an athlete is basically networking is for a businessman or
Hmm.
women. So tell me, what is BNI for you?
For me, BNI is, if you ask me, it's a genie. So it's
Uh-huh.
something like you make a wish and it comes true in BNI. So you ask for something and it just happens. And like I have mentioned it to a few people earlier that it's a genie, but you do not have only three wishes. You can have unlimited number of wishes. So
Oh
yeah,
wow,
that
that's
that is what
amazing.
BNI is for me at present.
Wow, same goes with me. So it's been 6 years now with BNI, offline and online, and that every small thing, even in my family, if they need something, they say that oh Hemal, BNI, and I'm
Same.
like wow, and
I think it's the same story. You would have. It's been for a month, but then now it's anything anyone needs in my family. They'll be like, you will definitely have a BNI Connect for this, and I have been able to help them a lot. So
super. Wow. You know what? I have your personal palms with you, and
okay.
I see that it has been just 5 meetings online, and
Hmm.
you have been able to generate 1 lakh plus of business for your chapter members. Uh,
Yes.
this is really surprising, and this makes us smile. So wow. So do you believe that givers gain is something which is important?
Definitely.
Mhm.
I first heard the concept of givers gain in BNI, and when I did give member to a fellow chapter member, I realized that it feels good one and it really helps. I have seen a lot of success stories happen around this concept where a person's given business to another person, and not necessarily you'll always get it back, but the very fact that you can help out people in your contact sphere at some point of time, it will come back to you. Like they say in BNI, what goes around comes around. So I
Right.
really believe in the concept in both givers gain as well as you know the
Right.
whole thing.
Wow. So a lot of people have asked that givers gain ye kab pata chala, and almost 99% people in networking or BNI say that after joining in BNI. But one of the brilliant men explained it very beautifully,
Mm-hmm.
and he said that givers gain is not only as old as BNI is,
Hmm.
but it is as old since the human species have been on this earth. And would you love to know? This is very
Yes,
interesting.
of course. Yes, I want to know where where
Yeah.
did I miss out before?
Okay. So, all right. So this guy's let's say this guy asked me a question that him and have you ever been to worship? And I said yes. Recently, I remember I had been to Mavdi in March before the
Mm-hmm.
lockdown. And he said तो क्या किया वहाँ जाके? मैंने कहा कि यार मुझे ऐसे ही मतलब घर वाले ने बोला कुछ विश है तो मांग ले. So I went there, मैंने वहाँ पे प्रसाद खरीदा, प्रसाद दिया, and then मैंने भगवान से एक अच्छा सा फैमिली के लिए विश मांगा.
Mm-hmm.
And he said exactly. So you gave the prasad and then you asked for some good things. So giving the prasad was basically the swaha, and then getting something was the tathastu. So he beautifully quoted that भगवान भी तभी तथास्तु करते हैं जब तुम
जब आप
स्वाहा करते हो.
सही है.
And I mean BNI is a brilliant platform because if you have a lot of things already achieved in life, it is one of the best platforms to do a swaha for your chapter members, wherein they can grow, their families can grow. And it also by default makes people to do tathastu for us, not only in terms of business or money, but the gains are multi-purpose. So you evolve as a person. You evolve
Definitely,
in,
you evolve a
yeah,
lot. I myself have learned so much in BNI in the past 1 month by attending trainings alone. So, it's not just about the business, it's about how to grow in your business. So, it's both.
yeah. So my chapter members have been saying कि यार जब बच्चा 18 साल का हो जाता है and he does his graduation, उसको 6 लाख 10 लाख रुपए MBA से खर्चाने से better है कि just have him in BNI. He learns the networking, presentation skills, grooming, dressing, confidence, and whatnot. And that's the
Definitely a
fact
lot.
about
Yes.
BNI. Right, right. Awesome. So tell me, what are your hobbies like? And do you love networking?
Yes, of course, I love to network. I love meeting new people and I love to travel also and I love to dance. So these are my hobbies.
Wow.
And BNI as not just about networking, we in fact even had our very first online social yesterday. So,
Mhm.
we are, there is a lot that happens in BNI. It's just not business. I wanted to put up that point earlier, but I had forgotten it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I love meeting people. I love networking with people and I love to travel.
Super. And who inducted you in BNI? It was Meet Ramatri, right?
Yes, so that's the best part. I mean, he is a fellow dentist,
Mm-hmm.
and we are both in Ahmedabad practicing. But he was the one who introduced me to BNI. So that's the beauty of BNI. I mean, even if you would be a competitor in the real market, I mean, you don't feel that it's a healthy competition that you have. So
Sure.
yeah, he was the one who,
Wow. And I'm
joined.
sure you are thankful to him about this.
A lot. Very thankful to him. Very thankful.
Yes, even I have been, it's been 6 years and I've been thanking my sponsor that thank you so much for introducing me in BNI. But then in the 6 years, there were points where, I thought that, oh, BNI बहुत हो गया, शायद manage नहीं हो पा रहा. ऐसा कुछ तुम्हारे दिमाग में आया ever in this 5 meetings की यार online BNI या BNI मजा नहीं आ
No,
रहा?
I do not feel that it is like it doesn't overburden you
Mm-hmm.
or anything. You have to incorporate BNI in your business curriculum. Simple.
True.
You cannot be like, no, BNI is separate, my business is separate, my life is separate. You cannot do all these things. If you incorporate it in your entire business curriculum, see, you have invested in something, you need to make the most out of it. It is not just for socializing. If you
True.
have invested in it and you want to make the most out of it, then you have to give it that time that it needs for it to mature fully. So if you incorporate it into your business curriculum, I think it does not take up your time at all. And in fact, in these times when people are relatively free from in the online forum has given you a lot of potential to meet a lot more people than you would have in the real world, like if you go out and meet offline.
Wow.
So
So in this COVID times, why would you strongly recommend BNI? What's the one important reason to that?
So, one reason why I feel most businesses work is because of reference.
Mm-hmm.
And what happens in BNI is you generally generate referrals. And at present, it is not very safe to go to someone and meet them, and
True.
you meet a lot of people. But if you channelize the number of people you want to meet by first meeting them online, the BNI gives you that forum. You are networking with so many people online, and then if you feel that a business can get generated, then it's a different thing. But you get to meet a lot of people. I'm sorry, I think I just faltered in that. Can you just cut this part?
Yeah. So basically, you meet a lot of people. You're psychologically, you work positively, and
Yes.
it's not only about gaining business, but then any problem you have or any challenge you have,
Hmm.
there are 50, 60, 80, 100 members who can be there for your help in just what, let's say 1 hour if they are in Ahmedabad.
Yes, definitely. So you do get a lot of people who are, you get to network with a lot of people, and you get to build a relationship on an online platform, which is great.
Sounds brilliant. Sounds brilliant. So, if you have to summarize BNI in just one word for you,
Hmm.
what would that word be?
I did say genie earlier, but I
Yeah.
feel BNI is all about growth.
Wow.
So, yeah, if you want to grow personally, professionally, anyway, and if you feel, and there's a saying that the day you stop growing, you stop living. So
True.
you need, it's not about where you are in life, whatever place you are in life, if you want to grow, I think BNI is the place.
Yeah, so happiness equals to growth, and
Yes,
BNI keeps you growing.
yes.
Brilliant, yeah, Tanisha. It is great to
Thank
know
you.
your BNI journey. And if I have to sum up, I would not sum up in one word, but what I would say is it is not important to earn a billion. What is important is to be a man who can earn a billion. And basically, BNI has evolved me, and BNI has evolved lakhs of people across the globe who can be someone who can earn a billion because it has contributed to their knowledge, attitude, skills, and habits. And I mean, hats off for BNI. Hats off
Completely
that
agree.
because
Yes,
of BNI we met. We
I
meet
agree.
such
Super.
yeah, energetic, passionate people, and
Yes.
all the love to BNI. Super, Tanisha. Great
Yeah.
message to
Thank
the
you.
world.
Thank you so much, Himal. And thank you, BNI, for the opportunity.
Pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.